Hi, I'm doing a first test here and I've already run into a problem. So what I want to show you is I've started up the lathe and I'm in manual mode. I'm going to move Z and X to a home position, and then I'm going to go ahead and home the both of them, and I'll show you what happens here. Right now I'm going to zero the world, and then I'm going to go to machine coordinates. If you noticed, it did not zero the X and Y up there, and when I go to machine coordinates and I set Z home and X home, then it did zero. I go back to program coordinates and it's still zeroed. Okay, so now I've got my home position for X and Z, which is away from my stock. I'm going to quit the mode now and come into the actual run screen, the auto screen, and if you look up at the DROs, X and Z are at 0. I'm going to position it now closer to the part. I'm not actually going to cut the part, but I'm just going to move it in closer. And I know you can't see that, but the problem is you'll see on the DROs, if you look, I didn't do it this time, but the last time I tried this, it actually scrambled these two DROs when I made that move and told me that I'd made a move of 42 inches and 37 inches. It's definitely still messing with the DROs. So I'll go ahead and zero in my part with this. I'm going to hit Pick of the Wizard. It's a threading wizard. I just used it in Clear to Work Offset. And go ahead and post the code. This works in parallel without a problem. So I'm going to come back here and then hit cycle, and then hit cycle start. I have to set a RPM of 166, and I got 163. That's close. So I'm going to hit start cycle, and we'll see. All right, moved in. It made the pass, and Z is following along with the RPMs of the spindle. Right now it seems to be working fine. I'm not actually cutting threads. Alright, let me stop what I'm doing here because this is seeming to work this time. I tried several times, and of course when I decide to video it, it won't act up. So let me stop this. It almost looks like it would work. Shut the spindle off. I'm going to quit the mode and go back to manual and see where the machine coordinates think it is. Okay, it's not messing with them now. Okay, I want to repeat it again. I'm going to back Z away from the part, pull X back out. I'm going to zero the world, go to machine coordinates, set the position as home, go back to coordinates, program coordinates, quit the mode, go to auto. Going to move over to the part. Just somewhere close. I'm not actually going to cut the thread yet. I'm going to part 0, hit cycle. Okay, it says work offset is shifted. I'll just go ahead and go back to the wizard here real quick and reset that. Make sure I don't have a problem there by just reposting the code. I'll clear the work offset, repost the code, and exit. Okay, I got a fresh regeneration. We're in the right position. Turn on the motor, get my 166. I got 163. That's good. We'll hit cycle start. Okay, it's making passes. Seems to be working well. Okay, the bug I run into earlier is not repeating itself. So, I've got to do some more testing and find out why it was acting crazy before. Try it again.